Good morning, students. Let us begin the discussion of operators in the language C under Module 3 of COM 101. What is an operator? An operator is a symbol that tells the computer to perform certain mathematical or logical manipulations. It is a symbol. It is mere a symbol that tells the computer to perform mathematical or logical manipulations. If you take the example of plus is an operator. What is it? It is a symbol. It informs the computer to perform certain mathematical operation, namely the addition. Like this, the operators are also used to perform logical manipulations also. There are many categories of operators as per the C language is concerned. They are arithmetic operations in order to perform arithmetic operations, namely addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo division, and so many other things. And relational operators in order to check whether this number is greater than or equal to the other number. If this is less than or equal to the other number. These are the relational operators. Logical operators, AND operator, OR operators, or logical operators. Assignment operator. This assignment operator I have already explained in one of the sessions. That is your equal sign. Equal sign is nothing but an assignment operator. It is used to assign the value to a variable. Since it is used to assign the value to a variable, it is called as assignment operator. Then the next one is increment or decrement operators, conditional operators, bitwise operators, and special operators. These are the categories of operators which are used in the language C. Let us discuss only about one category of operators, namely the arithmetic operator. And here, these are the symbols which we use for the operator. The meaning of this symbols are plus, addition. This is minus. You can make use of hyphen. This is called minus, and this is used to subtract. Then this is asterisk mark, and it is used for multiplication. Then this is slash, and it is used for division. So, as per the arithmetic operators are concerned, though there are many other arithmetic operators, I would like to introduce only 4 basic arithmetic operators to you. They are plus for addition, minus for subtraction, asterisk mark for multiplication, and slash for division. Let me give the examples of arithmetic operations. If A is equal to 16 and B is equal to 4, then A minus B is equal to 14. That is 16 minus 4 is equal to 14. And A plus B, that is 16 plus B is equal to 20. A multiplications B, that is 16 into 4 is equal to 64. A divided by B, A slash B is nothing but A division B, A divided by D is equal to 4. Now let us discuss a sample program which uses the operators Okay, click it. Now, this program is used to add 2 numbers. So, in order to add 2 numbers, we need to include compiler directives with the help of the include statements to include standard input_output.h, console input_output.h. Then start the body of the main function with the help of a void main with the help of the floor bracket. Then I try to declare 2 variables, namely number 1 and number 2, which are of the type integer, which are of the data type integer. So, I try to declare int number 1, comma number 2, terminated. I would like to declare another variable sum, namely sum, which is also of the same data type integer. You can either here put a comma and write sum over here also. Terminate it in one statement itself. It is possible for you to declare all these three variables because all are of the same data type integer. It is not necessary that you should have three different statements or two different statements. It is going to be decided by the programmer, that is by you, if at all you write the program on your own. So then, once after the declaration segment is over, I would like to read the numbers from the user. So the comment statement here says read the first number. It's better to have a clear screen here, CLR SER, because before using the output screen for the first time, we can clear the screen. Then the comment statement says read the first number. Then it is followed by the output statement printf in order to print enter the first number to add. Terminate it. Then make use of the input statement, namely scanf. The control string used here is %d. The %d specifies the format of the integer number, and it is followed by the address operator followed by the name of the variable number 1. I told you that whenever you wanted to read a number, read a variable or read a value, you have to make use of the variable name accompanied by the address operator associated with it. So you have to make use of ampersand followed by number 1. Then of course terminate the input statement. Then next you just give the comment statement to read the second number. So make use of the printf statement. The printf statement will print the message enter the second number to be added. Our aim of the program is to add two numbers. So ask the user to enter two numbers. The first number will be received in number 1 and the second number will be received in the number 2 with the help of the scanf statements. The next thing is, once after reading these two numbers, our aim is to add the numbers. And add the numbers. Number 1 plus number 2 is the addition operation with the help of the operator, plus. The meaning of this plus is making addition. So it will add number 1 and number 2 and the result will get assigned to the variable sum with the help of the assignment operator. So I repeat again, number 1 plus number 2, I mean number 2 will get added to number 1 and the resultant will get stored in the sum through the assignment operator. So here we make use of two operators, namely one is the addition operator which is categorized as arithmetic operator, then the next one is assignment operator plus equal sign. So through this statement what we try to do is add the numbers namely number 1 and number 2 and store or save it in the variable location named as sum. The next one is, once after performing the addition operation, our aim is to display the resultant of addition operation. So give the comment statement, appropriate comment statement as display the result. So with the help of the printf statement, you try to give, here it's better to have a new line character here. So you just enter /n. Here also you try to have a /n. Here also you can have a /n, so that all the lines of the printf statements will get printed in the new line. Here it says the sum of the given two numbers are %d, the control string %d, which is used to specify the format of an integer, and close the quotes, comma, sum, the value which is stored in the sum will get printed in this place while you execute the program. Terminate the printf statement. Then of course you have the get character statement, terminate it and close the main function. So that's all. This is the end of the program. When you execute this program, Let us see what happens. When you execute the program, the display screen will get cleared. Then it will ask you to enter the first number to add. The cursor will be waiting for you to enter the number, any integer number. So when you enter 5, it will get accepted and stored in the variable number 1. And then it will print the message, enter the second number to be added. Then when you enter the number 7, it will get accepted and stored in the number 2. Once after these two values were stored in number 1 and number 2, the number 1 will get added to the number 2 and the result will get saved into the sum. When it comes across the printf statement, namely the sum of the given two numbers are equal to %d followed by sum, the value in the sum variable will get displayed here. That's all. So you try to execute the programs. For example, I have given the problems to solve. Enter the radius and find out the area of the circle. Enter the length and the breadth of a rectangle. Find out the area of a rectangle. Enter the side of a square and find out the area of the square. All the three programs that I have given in the assignment, you can work out those problems in the same manner that I have explained to you now. So you try to solve the problems as per the instructions given to you, and mail it to me in time. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.